Everything in the universe is part of a grand cosmic dance, a dance of energy. Stars are born from it, planets shaped by it, and life itself is its expression. Thermodynamics describes the rules of this dance, how energy moves, changes, and shapes our world. These laws aren't just for scientists, they govern your morning coffee, the air you breathe, and the devices you use. Understanding them is like learning the secret language of the cosmos. Thermodynamics connects a steaming cup of tea to a dying star, revealing what's possible and what's not. It's the story of energy's journey from the Big Bang to every atom in you. The word thermodynamics comes from Greek for heat and power. It began with steam engines, but scientists soon realized these rules are universal. They apply to chemical reactions, biological processes, and the evolution of the cosmos. These laws govern energy everywhere, at all times. Energy is the capacity to do work coming in many forms: sunlight, food, electricity. Thermodynamics tells us how this energy behaves, whether in a star or a spoonful of soup. The rules are elegant, powerful, and inescapable. They're the foundation of modern science, and they start with a profound idea: conservation. Let's explore the universe's playbook. The first law of thermodynamics is about conservation. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. The universe's ultimate accounting system, energy is always constant. That's why perpetual motion machines are impossible. You can't get more energy out than you put in. Imagine eating an apple. The chemical energy stored by the tree from sunlight is transformed in your body into heat and movement. The energy isn't created, it's just transferred, from sun to apple to you. The same happens when you turn on a light bulb. Electrical energy becomes light and heat. A car engine turns gasoline's chemical energy into motion, heat, and sound. The first law sets the stage. The universe is a closed system, and energy is simply shuffled around. Every action is a transformation, not a creation. Life itself is a process of transforming energy. But this law doesn't tell us which way energy prefers to flow. For that, we need the next law. The second law of thermodynamics says you can't even break even. It introduces entropy, a measure of disorder. In any isolated system, entropy always increases. Things naturally move from order to disorder. Energy spreads out, becoming less concentrated and less useful. Think of a messy room. It takes effort to keep it tidy, but left alone, it gets messier. Entropy in action. Or a hot cup of coffee cooling down. Heat disperses into the air. Energy becomes less useful. You can't unbreak an egg or unmelt ice. These processes are irreversible because the universe favors higher entropy. The second law gives us the arrow of time, explaining why things age and wear out. Every energy transformation increases overall disorder. So while energy is conserved, its quality degrades. This law drives every process in the universe, including life. The third law of thermodynamics sets the ultimate limit. As a system approaches absolute zero, the coldest possible temperature, its entropy approaches a minimum. At absolute zero, all molecular motion would cease, creating perfect order. But reaching absolute zero is impossible. You can get close, but never quite there. The universe won't let you quit the game of thermal motion. This law is crucial for science, setting the baseline for entropy and defining the bottom of the cosmic temperature scale. Even in the quest for perfect order, there's a limit we can approach but never touch. The third law completes the story of thermodynamics. It reminds us, there's always a little motion left. The three laws, you can't win, you can't break even, and you can't quit, are the universe's operating principles. They explain everything from why we eat to why time flows forward. These laws are the foundation of engineering technology and our understanding of the cosmos. The first law guides our search for sustainable energy. The second law pushes us to innovate and fight waste. On a cosmic scale, these laws tell the story of the universe's beginning, evolution, and eventual fate. But don't be disheartened. The struggle against entropy creates complexity and beauty. Life is a temporary pocket of order, a rebellion against chaos. Understanding these laws enhances our wonder, revealing the elegance and magnificence of the cosmos. The universe's rules are simple, profound, and endlessly inspiring.